I forgot to put the stabilization on. I forgot to put the stabilization on.
Hi there, welcome back. My name is Mark and welcome to the Man Cave.
Before we continue, sorry for the shaky footage. I will explain later.
Now before we're gonna start today's video, I want to give you guys an update on the 308. It's been about 2.5 months, 3 months almost, yeah, probably, since I've sent her to Gus to get the engine back in the car so we can finish it up and drive her at the beginning of this coming season. Well, the bad news is nothing really happened since then. It's not Gus's fault. What happened is Gus was a little bit nervous about the gearbox. He thought that he could have made a little mistake or that there's something wrong with the gearbox that was being rebuilt. So he decided to take it all apart again. And start over, and now we're at the point that he's waiting for some parts. And yeah, well, it's taking a little bit of time. We got time until the season starts, so hopefully it will be solved. But it's a little bit frustrating, and I don't blame Gus. I know he's a really good guy, and well, the reality is, if you are looking for a job as a mechanic and you're specialized in exotic cars and you're a good guy, call Gus, because he really needs people. Because that's the other problem he has, is just lack of people helping him out. And I have no experience, otherwise I would have quit my job and say, hey Gus, I'm gonna help you. No. Yeah, that's about the 308, all I can do. And now I can jump into the car and drive an hour to see Gus, drink a cup of coffee and show you guys nothing. And then drive back. But I figured that would be a waste of my time. Instead, what we're gonna do today, first I'm gonna pick up the Ford. It's outside. And we're gonna drive to a job because I really need money, so we need to work first and then we can do the fun stuff again. And then I'm gonna clean the Ford, I guess. Yeah, in the car wash. Don't shoot me. But it's winter, the cold is coming back, the salt is everywhere, so we're just gonna do a quick car wash just to get rid of some salt, and then next week we're gonna collect some new salt. And that's the main problem of this season. We cannot drive. And normally in this season we will work on our cars, like the BMW, but as you already know, it has a problem I can't fix. But we're gonna end this video with trying it again once more. Just one more try. Hopefully the wind yeah. Sorry. What I wanted to say is I was driving the BMW. I noticed the window is when the wind is there in the storm, etc. So I figured maybe the window is a little bit tilted, and then that's why it gets stuck and then it doesn't work. And then so maybe if I tilted a little bit more inside, it wouldn't do blah blah blah, and maybe then the problem is solved. And if not, if you know any dealership that has reasonable prices near The Hague in the Netherlands, that can help me with the window of the BMW and fix the roof, because the roof doesn't work at this moment, and that could probably be because of the window, but I don't know. Somebody has to do it for me. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna try it one more time. Yeah. So that's the plan. Oh, and I've got another plan for today's video, because in my hand I have my new camera. Say hi, but you can see it. So I'm just learning this thing, and this is videos mainly because I want to learn to use this thing a little bit better. So what we're gonna do after we clean the Ford, we're gonna find a spot somewhere in the nature, and we're gonna do some cinematic shots of the Ford. Yeah, probably one of the most boring cars you can do cinematic shots with, but I just figured, hey, I should try and learn and try things, trial error, you know what. So let's jump into the Ford. No, first I'm gonna take some breakfast because it's early in the morning, jump in the Ford, go to work, then clean the car, do whatever I said. Yeah, okay, hey, let's get started.
A few moments later.
No, okay, hello, wait, whoa, voiceover, time for voiceover. Yeah, yes, I was driving in the drive-in, and yeah, you can see everything happening here, rounding up. Yeah, know what is what I'm saying, and then yeah, you think that the oh wait, water, lots of noise and stuff like that. And well, okay, that's it about it. That is going to happen at the drive-in, and well, the car wash, of course. Yes, yeah. When you go to the car wash, your car gets clean, but scratches. And wait. Oh, don't forget to like, subscribe, spread the word, do whatever you want. Yeah, that's it. And well, I put a palk on my nose and put my finger in it and do something that yeah. Wait, 1 second. Yeah, here we go again, and we're gonna stop talking again. Now start talking again, and then the car gets cleaner and cleaner. And you can see I was talking about the car wash and stuff. I don't know what I said, but I said something that was very interesting. I probably was telling you about the day where I was spending, and oh look, soap on the car and stuff like that, and we're gonna talk, blah 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 blah. We're gonna keep on talking, yeah, until the end, and then after that I tried to do something. Yeah, we're talking. Yeah, okay. And but I kept talking and I kept talking. Yeah, and then I made a slow-mo of something that I didn't want to make a slow-mo. I wanted to make some sort of a time lapse, or don't know what I made. I did something and pushed the button. So the guy's working really slow while cleaning the car. Maybe I should try this.
Well, okay guys, here we are. I found a spot. It's not raining anymore, so that's a good thing. Hope the damage on the front doesn't sink, because while we're here we're gonna take some photos for the painter. You're never gonna see that. Nah. Because what I call damage is what you call a scratch, probably. But it's yeah, cloudy, so hopefully that does something with the view of the car. I think I'm gonna put the lights on. That could be cool. Yeah, so let's get started.
Fast forward 2 days later, I forgot to put the stabilization on, so the footage was so shaky, we had to do it again. Fast backwards 2 days earlier, and a reminder for myself, I really need to get a new gimbal. So now let's go home. I'm hungry, and then we're gonna work on the BMW, and maybe we should do this one again with the BMW in the future, or of course with the 308. Yeah, because that's the car that really needs all the attention, but she's not here. Yeah, so okay. Yeah, let's get back in the car again. Well, now that was interesting. So as you can clearly see, I haven't got the hang of using this camera yet. Made a lot of mistakes. Somehow I lost sound. I get it to be shaky because I turned stabilization off to do a presentation thing that doesn't work right now because it's off, and then but it's on and you don't have any stabilization, and then well, okay, so that's the fact of a new camera. You have to learn, and I'm learning right now. I really noticed I really could use a good camera gimbal, because the gimbal I have is for my phone, doesn't work on the camera, etc, etc, etc. Man, this is going to cost me a lot of money, an expensive hobby, but that's okay. I like it. It's all for you guys and for me, of course. Look at the background, the lotus. I got a little surprise for you, because I did something that I should have done while filming, but I was so enthusiastic when I got home, so I decided to do it. And look what I did. I fixed the roof. the roof is... No, what happened? It was just a blown fuse. The roof didn't work because a fuse has blown. And don't ask me why or how or whatever happened. Yeah, it blown. So all that's left now is still that fucking that annoying window here. And if you can you see it? This is the problem here. Let's zoom in. Yeah, as you can see, it's a little bit down. It's like, well, almost a centimeter down, and that's why it doesn't close. And you should be able to adjust it with a with the electronics, etc. But that doesn't work. Also, I tried lots of time putting the windows up and down, and well, it seems to work for about 20 times. Then it quits. But when you restart the car, it works again. So I figured, nice workaround. If I got the height correct, the window seals off. It doesn't do again anymore. And probably we should just go out and test it again and drive it for a few weeks before we send it to a dealership. So in one video I solved the problem without doing nothing except for changing one fuse, I guess. But still, we have to take the inner door panel out again to get the window up just 1 centimeter. That's a little bit annoying. And I'm not gonna bother showing you that, because I've shown that to you about 3 times right now. But next week you will see the end result. Next week is going to be very special, because my friend Mark and I are gonna make a very cool video. We're not gonna tell you, but we're gonna make a cool video that's also, how do you call it? A podcast. Yeah, we're gonna go live on Spotify or something. I don't know how we're gonna do that, but we have a great idea, and we're gonna test it and see if we can do something about it. And if it works, it works. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. Who cares? Meanwhile, I'll have fun. Yeah, because the summer is coming in 2 months, I guess. And when the summer is here, man. Okay. The doctor said that I need to take my pills regularly. I'm so tiring. The doctor.
2 hours later.
The doctor told me to take my medicine because I was going insane. No, okay, well, guys. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just really. Yeah, I got nothing to do here. I need to go inside and cook for the kids. Pancake surprise. And then I have to go to the movies with a friend. And then we're all busy, like the whole weekend is busy. But it's going to be fun as well. Wait, you know what? We're gonna call it a quit. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. Just a little bit insane video. Well, insane not, but yeah, it is. But thank you for watching. See you again next time, and then goodbye.